Creating a business on the YouTube platform is one of my favorite ways to earn money, and it's something I personally use. Thanks to artificial intelligence, content creation has become much easier. Even without prior experience in creating YouTube content, you can build a successful business that allows you to earn an unlimited amount of money from anywhere in the world. With applications like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or DALL-E, you can create logos, banners, and thumbnails for your videos. Using tools like ChatGPT or similar alternatives, you can come up with a channel name, description, video ideas, scripts, and even optimize your channel for SEO. Nowadays, a significant number of YouTubers, to some extent, incorporate artificial intelligence into their channels. If you haven't explored AI in your YouTube journey, you might be falling behind. Now, let's talk about the requirements to reach our goal of $10,000 per month in terms of subscribers and views. It's important to note that subscribers themselves do not directly generate revenue. However, to monetize your channel, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. If you've chosen a profitable YouTube niche, such as affiliate marketing, where the average CPM is around $22, you would need to accumulate 454,545 views per month to reach the target income. This may seem like an ambitious goal, but by releasing 3 videos per week, you would aim for approximately 37,879 views per video. It's crucial to remember that monetization is just one aspect of earning on YouTube. There are numerous other ways to generate income. For example, in affiliate marketing, if you include an affiliate link that offers a $10 commission per sale, and even just 1% of the 454,545 viewers make a purchase, you could earn $45,450 in addition to the revenue from monetization. This would bring your monthly earnings to over $50,000, which is 5 times higher than the initial goal. And that's just 2 potential revenue streams. Beyond monetization, YouTube offers various avenues for earning money. You can create and sell your own products, merchandise, courses, guides, and even establish closed fan groups to provide exclusive content. YouTube presents abundant opportunities for financial success. However, if you aspire to create a similar business on YouTube, although AI can handle most of the workload, there are still some processes I personally recommend doing yourself. Firstly, video creation and editing. While AI can generate videos within seconds, saving you hours of work, the quality of such videos may not be up to par. Lackluster editing, generic footage, and transitions can negatively impact the watch time of your videos. Remember, average view duration is a critical metric for YouTube as it determines the quality of your content. Secondly, thumbnail creation. Although AI can generate background images for your thumbnails, there isn't a reliable AI solution that can create compelling and attractive thumbnails with text. For this, you'll need to rely on applications like Photoshop, Photopea, or Canva. Lastly, voiceovers. Videos tend to be more engaging when voiced by a real person. If possible, I highly recommend doing the voiceovers yourself. However, if that's not feasible, there are text-to-speech AIs available, and with some research, you can find a reasonably realistic option to utilize. By combining your own efforts with the capabilities of AI, you can leverage YouTube as a powerful platform to build a successful and profitable business. So let's consider useful services and AI tools that will help you in content creation, which I personally use. The process of creating any video starts with an idea. I come up with most of the ideas for my videos myself, or I scroll through YouTube to see what interests people. But sometimes I use ChatGPT for this purpose. After that, we move on to the process of creating the video itself. First and foremost, before starting video editing, I write a script. If I have a good understanding of the topic, I immediately start writing. But sometimes I want to create a video on a topic that I'm not very familiar with. Before creating such videos, I spend several hours or even days studying information on that topic. Other YouTube videos, internet articles, and the same ChatGPT greatly help with this. In the first 30 seconds, you need to include interesting and intriguing information that will explain to the viewer why they should keep watching the video. Therefore, I start writing the script with a discussion and a description of the main theme of the video, and then go back to the beginning and try to squeeze the maximum amount of information into the first 30 seconds. Once the script is ready, you need to voice it and record it. Depending on whether you do it yourself or with the help of text-to-speech services, the methods will differ. When your audio is ready, it's time to move to one of the video editing programs. You can choose any program that you personally like: Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut. Personally, I use this little one. Depending on the theme of your video, the material for the video series will vary. If it's a tutorial that involves screen recording, I use a free program called OBS Studio. If the video focuses on providing information, stock videos are good for this purpose. Personally, I can recommend Pexels, Pixabay, Videvo, and Mixkit. Next, there is a fairly lengthy video editing process. During the editing process, you may need background music and sound effects. I use a website called Epidemic Sound, where there is a wide variety of royalty-free music in different genres. I will leave a link to Epidemic Sound in the description. It is a paid platform that may not be suitable for you initially, but they offer a free trial plan for 1 month. Sometimes you can also find good music on YouTube. When I have a finished, edited video, I start creating the thumbnail. I create them in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use a free alternative like Photopea or Canva. If you don't have a rough idea of how your thumbnail should look like, you can get inspiration from channels in your niche. Sometimes, if I need an image for the background, I generate it using Midjourney or Leonardo AI. I wish you good luck in your YouTube journey. If you found this video helpful, write about it in the comments and make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you!